6 Google tools you need to launch a virtual school. Do you know you can build a complete virtual school from scratch using free Google tools? Let me show you how it works in this short video. The 6 Google tools we are going to use here are 1. Google Classroom, 2. Google Forms, 3. Google Slide, 4. Google Sheet, 5. Google Drive, 6. Google Meet. Google Classroom. Google Classroom is where you host your virtual school. You also use it for the following: A. Add students to your class. B. Add co-teachers to your class. C. Make announcement. D. Coordinate the class activities. E. Create classes for your school or ARMs for your class. F. Arrange learning materials under scheme of works. G. Set and coordinate exams in the class. H. Suspend or evict students from the class. I. Give lesson materials for the class. Google Forms. A. Fill students' admission forms. B. Conduct CBT tests. C. Conduct students' opinion polls regularly. D. Conduct termly exams. Google Slide. A. Create slide presentations for the class. B. Create some decorative designs to wow your class. Google Sheets. A. Create a permanent database for your admitted students. B. Create a permanent database for your teachers. Google Drive. A. Permanently secure your school material on cloud storage. B. Arrange your school files and folders properly. C. Share materials with both teachers and students online. D. Sell your school's digital products easily without a third-party agent. Google Meet. A. Host live classes with your students. B. Host distant meeting with your parents and other stakeholders. C. Arrange meetings from home with your teachers. D. Expand your scope as a school to reach the global community. If you are a teacher or a school head, we can train you on how to make this happen. Let's hear from you on the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.